Are you ready to take control of your belly fat once and for all? What if I told you that, in just 30 days, you could see a leaner, tighter midsection, all without leaving home? In this video, we'll go through 6 ultra-effective exercises that target belly fat and engage your entire core. Let's jump right into these exercises and break down how they work, why they're effective, and the best way to perform each. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell, so you're always the first to get pro tips that take your fitness game to the next level. 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic, full-body move that combines cardiovascular training with core strength. This movement activates your entire core, with a primary focus on your lower abs, while your shoulders and chest work to stabilize. Here's how to maximize their impact. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders, back straight, and core tight. As you drive each knee toward your chest, think of running in place with controlled movements. Engage your abs with each knee drive, and keep your hips level. Don't let them lift or sag. Maintain a brisk but manageable pace. 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds are ideal for spiking your heart rate and melting away fat. The continuous movement forces your body to burn calories quickly while strengthening your core, creating an intense fat-burning effect. 2. Leg raises. Leg raises are incredibly effective for activating the lower abs, which can be one of the hardest areas to tone. Proper form here is everything to maximize the core work. Lie on your back, legs straight, and place your hands beneath your hips for support if needed. Lift both legs up together until they form a 90-degree angle with your body, then slowly lower them back down. Here's the critical part: don't let your legs touch the ground between reps. By keeping them just above the floor, you maintain constant tension on the lower abs, which helps to build strength and reduce belly fat over time. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with a controlled pace will work wonders. This exercise is ideal for building definition in the lower abdomen, which often responds slower to exercise but is key for a toned look. 3. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a tried-and-true core exercise that work both your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, and your obliques. This dual engagement helps create definition in the midsection while boosting core strength and calorie burn. Here's how to get it right. Lie flat on your back with hands lightly behind your head. Lift your legs to a tabletop position. Now, here's the key. As you crunch up, twist to bring your left elbow toward your right knee, simultaneously straightening the left leg. Switch sides, and try to keep the movement slow and controlled. Focus on each twist, making sure your core, not your neck, is doing the work. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps will intensify that burn. By targeting both the upper and side abs, bicycle crunches are powerful for shedding that stubborn belly fat. 4. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a fantastic calorie burner and a surprisingly effective core exercise. Each hop requires core stability, which engages and strengthens your abs. Here's how to maximize its impact. Hold the handles lightly and keep your elbows close to your sides. Use your wrists, not your arms, to swing the rope and stay light on your feet. With every hop, tighten your core to stabilize and protect your lower back. Try to find a steady rhythm and avoid high jumps. Aim to just clear the rope with each jump. 3 rounds of 1 minute with a 30-second rest in between will help keep your heart rate up and fat burn high. Regular jump rope sessions increase endurance and coordination while toning the core, making it an efficient exercise for shedding belly fat. 5. Plank with hip dips. Plank hip dips add a powerful twist to the traditional plank, directly targeting the obliques and transverse abdominis, the muscles that wrap around your waist like a natural corset. Here's how to perform them for the best results. Start in a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Slowly dip your left hip toward the floor while keeping your core tight, then bring it back to center. Now, dip your right hip in the same way. The key is control. Avoid using momentum and focus on feeling each dip in your side muscles. 3 sets of 15 dips per side will carve definition in your waist while engaging the deep core muscles. By alternating sides, Hip dips help tighten and tone the sides of your midsection, giving a more sculpted appearance. 6. Burpees. Burpees are the ultimate fat-burning exercise because they target multiple muscle groups and require explosive movement, which boosts your metabolism. Start standing with feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down, placing your hands on the ground, then jump your feet back to a plank. Do a push-up if you're up for the challenge, then jump your feet back toward your hands and explode up into a jump. Each phase, from the plank to the jump, engages the core, shoulders, chest, and legs. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps will raise your heart rate and build strength. When done correctly, burpees are an intense, whole-body workout that helps you burn more calories, even after your workout is over. With these 6 exercises, you're well equipped to blast away belly fat and build a strong core, all from home. Consistency is key. Stick to this routine, pair it with a balanced diet, and watch your progress unfold over the next 30 days. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on transforming your body, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos on the screen now.